Welcome to the future of travel storytelling, where dreams become destinations, and AI turns every idea into a cinematic adventure. From sketches, to songs, to breathtaking drone shots, all created by artificial intelligence. Ready to learn how it's done? Let's unlock the secrets behind the MadamCake World Tour. Hey there, creator! If you make travel videos or dream of doing it, this one's for you. Because today, I'll show you how just a few iPhone clips from your holiday can become a cinematic travel film. No big camera crew, no drone, no expensive lenses. Just real memories, enhanced by AI. And be sure to stay until the end, because I'll give you a powerful AI prompt that can help your next video get way more views. The same kind of idea that helped our own California film take off. You'll find it in the description below, so don't miss it. This video is built around MadamCake World Tour California, a full 3-part cinematic travel series that mixes real footage with AI enhancement. If you haven't seen it yet, there's a link in the description. Watch it after this video. It's the perfect example of what's possible when creativity meets technology. So, how do we turn a few simple clips into something cinematic? Let's break it down. We used ChatGPT to plan the story. Los Angeles, Highway 1, and San Francisco. Each chapter with its own vibe, color tone, and soundtrack. That structure is what makes the whole video feel like a film, not just a montage. Then we enhanced everything. With tools like Nano, and Seedream, we boosted the skies, added realistic lighting, and recreated smooth camera motion, even from still photos. No drone needed, just AI transforming what we already captured. The result? A video that still feels real, because it is real, but with that extra cinematic touch that keeps viewers watching. That's the magic of AI when it's used right. Not to fake your story, but to elevate it. We edited everything in DaVinci Resolve because editing is where emotion takes shape. That's where the human touch really matters. The timing, the pacing, the transitions, all the details that make your AI-assisted clips feel natural and alive. Then came the music. We used ChatGPT to write lyrics for each scene and Suno AI to turn them into real songs. 29 of them in total, all original, and all perfectly fitting the story's emotion. It's a creative combo that gives your video its own heartbeat, and you'll never worry about copyright again. Now, you've stayed until the end, so here's the surprise I promised. Here comes my AI thumbnail prompt, a ready-made text you can copy from the description below to help you design thumbnails that attract way more clicks. Here's how it works. You take the prompt, paste it into your favorite AI. It can be ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or any AI that can create images. If you want more artistic control, try image focus tools like Nano or Seedream. They'll let you fine-tune lighting, color, and detail so your thumbnail really stands out. Before you run the prompt, you'll need to add your own short description of the video. Just 1 or 2 sentences explaining what your film is about, the location, and the mood you want the viewer to feel. The AI will use that to design a YouTube-ready thumbnail optimized for engagement, emotion, and clarity. Make 2 or 3 variations, and choose the one that instantly catches your eye first. That's usually the one your audience will click on too. You'll find the full prompt in the video description, ready to copy and use. It's designed to save you time, boost your clicks, and help your videos reach the audience they deserve. So go ahead, watch our MadamCake California series for inspiration, then grab the prompt, try it yourself, and start creating. Because when creativity meets AI, the world is yours to film. And hey, before you go, if this video gave you ideas or inspiration, don't forget to like it. It really helps more creators find it too. And if you want to keep learning new ways to make your travel videos look cinematic with AI, then follow MadamCake here on YouTube. We'll keep exploring the best tools, prompts, and creative tricks so you don't have to spend weeks testing them all. Just focus on filming your adventures and let MadamCake show you how to make them shine. From beautiful destinations to crazy AI experiments, there's always something new coming up. So hit subscribe, ring the bell icon, and join us on the next stop of the MadamCake World Tour. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need a film crew to tell your story. You just need creativity and a little help from AI.